Hello. Today, I want to talk about the Mathematical Analysis course taught by Dr. Casey Rodriguez. This course covers the fundamentals of mathematical analysis and addresses some very important topics. One of these topics is the convergence of sequences and series. This concept helps us gain a better understanding of the behavior of sequences and how to sum series. After that, the concept of continuity is fundamental. Continuity allows us to see how functions behave and when we can utilize their properties. Then we move on to differentiability, which is the basis for many mathematical analyses and applications. The Riemann integral is also part of this course. This concept aids us in understanding the area under curves and many other issues. In this course, we also examine sequences and series of functions. These discussions not only deepen our understanding of mathematics, but are also essential for solving complex problems. What's interesting is that Dr. Rodriguez focuses on abstract concepts and explains them through the study of real numbers and their applications. The learning process in this course helps us construct and understand mathematical proofs. These skills have significant application in various fields of mathematics and computer science. So if you're looking for a challenging and in-depth course in mathematics, this course is a fantastic opportunity for you.